Stop. Before you pop that vitamin pill, you might be making a big mistake. Did you know that taking vitamins the wrong way can make them useless or even harmful? In this video, I'll expose the 5 biggest mistakes people make with vitamins and the right way to take them. Let's go. Mistake number 1, taking vitamins on an empty stomach. Ever taken a multivitamin first thing in the morning and felt nauseous? That's because some vitamins, especially fat-soluble ones like A, D, E, and K, need food to be absorbed properly. Without fat, your body just flushes them out. So next time, take them with a meal that has healthy fats. Mistake 2, mixing the wrong vitamins together. Think all vitamins work together? Wrong. Some cancel each other out. For example, calcium blocks iron absorption, so don't take them together. Vitamin C plus B12? Bad combo. Vitamin C can break down B12, making it useless. Instead, take iron with vitamin C for better absorption. Mistake number 3, taking vitamins at the wrong time. Timing matters. Morning, B vitamins and vitamin D boost energy and focus. Night. Magnesium relaxes muscles and helps sleep. Never take vitamin D at night. It can disrupt melatonin and mess up your sleep. Mistake 4, taking vitamins with coffee or tea. Love coffee? Be careful. Caffeine blocks iron, calcium, and magnesium absorption. If you take vitamins with coffee or tea, you might be wasting them. Wait at least 1 hour after drinking caffeine before taking your supplements. Mistake 5, thinking more equals better. More vitamins not equal to better health. Some can be toxic in high doses. Too much vitamin D, kidney problems. Too much vitamin A, liver damage. Always follow the recommended dose and check with your doctor before megadosing. Now that you know the right way to take vitamins, which mistake were you making? Comment below. Comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing health tips. See you in the next video.